Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Python dictionaries are widely used for storing key value pairs, but they can be memory intensive, especially when dealing with a large amount of data. In this tutorial, we will explore memory-efficient alternatives to Python dictionaries and provide code examples for each alternative. Python dictionaries are implemented as hash tables, which provide fast lookup times but can consume a significant amount of memory. If you're working with a large dataset and memory usage is a concern, you may want to consider these alternatives. The defaultdict class from the collections module is a subclass of the built-in dict type. It provides a way to create dictionaries with default values for missing keys. This can save memory because it avoids storing none for missing keys. The array module provides a more memory-efficient way to store arrays of data compared to Python lists. While not a direct replacement for dictionaries, it can be useful for scenarios where you need a simple one-to-one mapping of keys to values. If you are working with tabular data and need a memory-efficient alternative, the pandas library provides a series object, which can be thought of as a one-dimensional labeled array. For concurrent and memory-efficient processing, the concurrent.futures.future class can be used to represent a deferred computation. This is especially useful when you need to compute values on demand without preloading everything into memory. In scenarios where memory efficiency is crucial, consider using these alternatives to Python dictionaries. Each option has its use cases and trade-offs, so choose the one that best fits your specific requirements. Remember that optimizing for memory efficiency may come at the cost of increased complexity or reduced functionality, so always evaluate the trade-offs in your specific use case. ChatGPT